Alright, a rather quick update. As you can see, the ready table is getting rather full, so that's a good sign. Also over here, everything to the left of the gunship is ready. Everything to the right still has some work left. Here I already started installing the old 80s town. There is a bit of an issue here, as this is not flush, so this needs to be raised a bit. Then over here, the Bionicles are standing quite proudly with the canisters, and I have suspended the Nui Yaga to the top shelf. And over here, of course, the Dream stuff and Adventure Time. I've also started with the 90s town stuff, so that's gonna come over here. The Technic stuff is gonna come over here underneath this table. So now we're in the room where all the boxes are stacked that still contain Lego that needs to be repaired. I'll take out a bag for you. This is for example the fire station from the 90s. The boxes over here, they contain new sealed sets, so they have no work in them, but they do need to be stored somewhere. What still needs to be done is a lot of Exoforce, some Mars mission, and in the box below there is the Viking series of sets. The old ones from 2008, I believe. So to store them, that's gonna be quite a pickle, because as you can see, there's not a lot of room left